Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Rebecca Main, and I'm your cabin service director on board this flight to Prague. I'd like to add my personal welcome to you all, and welcome back our executive club members and One World frequent flyers. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you're seated. It must be securely fastened when the seatbelt sign is on. When it's safe to leave your seats, please take care when opening the overhead lockers, as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you're seated. It must be securely fastened when the seatbelt sign is on. On today's flight, we're pleased to offer you our Wi-Fi service. To connect, join the BA Wi-Fi network, open the browser, type shop.ba.com and discover the packages available. All phones should be placed to silent to avoid disturbing other customers. Please note, video and phone calls are not permitted at any time during the flight. We're proud to announce the launch of our new online High Life magazine, which is available for free via the .air Wi-Fi login screen on your phone or tablet. Here you can discover the latest information and inspiration for your future travels. In-seat power is available within your seat area, and this will be ready for use once the seatbelt signs are switched off. Ladies and gentlemen, I would once again like to take this opportunity to share some important information about our new hygiene and safe distancing measures in flight. We ask that you stay in your seat as much as possible and avoid walking around the cabin or queuing in the galley areas. Before using the toilets, we ask that you check the green vacant signs are lit to avoid waiting in line. We require all customers to wear a face mask at all times during the flight. When wearing your mask, it's important that it covers your mouth and nose, such as the masks our team are wearing. If you require assistance or are feeling unwell, please remain seated and press the call bell in your seat area. This will allow the cabin crew to provide assistance at your seat. I'd like to take a moment to advise you about our revised service on board today. At British Airways, we take our commitment to your safety, comfort and well-being very seriously. With that in mind, we've worked closely with food and health experts to agree a temporary service which ensures we deliver on that promise. Our service today offers a pre-packaged refreshment. We appreciate your understanding in the circumstances impacting us as we take measures to minimize food preparation on board. You are welcome to consume any food you might have brought with you, and will continue to assist parents who may need to heat milk for their children. Thank you for your patience and understanding. We are, of course, on hand to help with any questions we might have. I also have some information for you from the Ministry of Health in the Czech Republic. They say the following: Dear passengers, in accordance with the provision of the Ministry of Health of the Czech Republic, we ask yourself to familiarize yourself with the information leaflet located in the arrival hall after you arrive at Prague Airport. If you are experiencing symptoms of respiratory disease, inform cabin or ground personnel immediately. A medical service is available at Prague Airport. Thank you.